What's up, Texas? Welcome to our segment Food Cravings with What's Up, Texas. So when you are craving for fast food, the first thing comes into your mind is crispy Zinger burger. And today I am at Krispy Krunchy Chicken at Irving, which is the best place to satisfy your crunchy cravings. They have nice sitting area for dining where you can come with your families. Krispy Krunchy Chicken specializes Cajun style chicken. It is infused with Krispy Krunchy's proprietary marinade and fried in zero trans fat oil. They bake their special, delicious honey butter biscuits, and you cannot find it anywhere else. Their staff is working so fast and really quick. They make it so fresh and crispy that when you enter in there, you just can't wait to eat. They serve with their meals different sauces that you desire. They offer different delicious signature sides along with their meals. Let's see how they make super yummy crispy Zinger burger. Their fries are also very famous. They have different kinds of fries, and these fries are their special fries.
Telling you, it's super juicy and crispy. Very good. Yum!
Let me tell you that this restaurant is always crowded. Whenever I'm here, I see people are just standing in the queue and waiting for their orders. So make sure whenever you are planning to eat Krispy Krunchy chicken, you have to place your order over the phone, or you have to be there in the queue for a long time. Krispy Krunchy chicken is always freshly made, perfectly Cajun every time.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nasir Iqbal and I am owner of Krispy Krunchy Chicken. We have two branches in Dallas, one on MacArthur in front of MacArthur High School and one on Story and Walnut in Irving. We have this location last 5 years, and our chicken is fresh, never frozen, and we are serving Zabiya Halal chicken in DFW, and our chicken is organic, no antibiotic feeded to this chicken, and during this pandemic we kept open for the community, and you can come. We do offer curbside pickup, delivery, and call-in orders pickup. Thank you WhatsApp Texas to come over here and do our advertisement. Thanks a lot.
Alright Texas, I'll see you again at another stop of deliciousness in our segment Food Cravings with WhatsApp Texas. Goodbye.